everybody, my name is Sadie Leach, and in this video we will be making chicken schnitzel. Before we get started, here's a list of ingredients you will need. In addition to ingredients, you will also need a skillet, a sharp kitchen knife, a tenderizer, and access to a kitchen. Now that we have all the necessary supplies, it's time to get cooking. The first step to making chicken schnitzel is to cut your chicken breast in half. To do this, you will first put your chicken breast on your cutting board or counter and retrieve your knife. You must be certain that the knife is sharp. To cut the chicken breast, you want to start by placing your hand on top of it. Once you have your hand on top of the chicken, you can begin slicing through it. Now that we cut our chicken breast, we can move on to step 2. For this step, we will need to retrieve our tenderizer. You also need to make sure that you have both halves of your chicken breast laid flat on the cutting board or counter. Once both of these are done, you can begin step 2, tenderizing the chicken. Once you have tenderized your meat, you must cover it in flour. Make sure that each piece is fully covered in flour. Now, for the next step, we need to head over to our stove. To begin the actual cooking of the chicken, you must first put olive oil in your skillet and turn on the heat. Now that our oil and pan are hot, we can begin cooking our chicken. Once you have your chicken in the skillet, you can cover it in salt, pepper, and paprika. Now all that is left to do is to wait for the chicken to cook. The goal is to get the exterior of the chicken to be crispy and golden brown, while also not overcooking it. Now all you have left to do is to enjoy the food you made, which is exactly what I'm about to do. Thanks for watching.